Hello, blissful souls. Today we'll express gratitude for all the beautiful relations in our life. Thank you so much, universe, for all the beautiful relations in my life. Thank you for the beautiful relation that I have with you, universe. Thank you so much for always being with me. Thank you so much for always guiding me. Thank you for always protecting me. Thank you so much for always providing me everything. Thank you so much for the beautiful relation that I have with my own self. Thank you so much for my wonderful grandparents who loved me so much. Thank you so much for my amazing parents who always provided me with everything. Thank you so much for my amazing siblings. Thank you for my loving and caring partner. Thank you for my wonderful in-laws. Thank you for my amazing children. Thank you for my wonderful relatives. Thank you for my amazing friends. Thank you for my wonderful colleagues. Thank you for my amazing boss. Thank you for my amazing teachers. Thank you so much for my helpful neighbors. Thank you so much for each and every individual whom I ever came across in my life. Thank you so much, universe. I'm truly blessed.